Assalamu alaikum dear YouTube viewer, welcome back to the Engineer 87 tutorial by to fail Ahmad. Dear viewer, and this Engineer 87 tutorial is about the student problem. The student problem number 1 is this is a right angle triangle, and this right angle triangle having inside a square. The two corners of this square stretch the base and perpendicular of the triangle, and one side of the square is over the hypotenuse. The question is that how can we find the side length of a square? Student problem second is that this is a triangle, and this triangle having inside a circle. The circle touch the three sides of triangle. The question is that how can we find the diameter of a circle? Student problem number 1. Can we find the side length of a square? This one is the question. This is a right angle triangle. The base of this triangle A is equal to 52 meter, and the perpendicular of this triangle B is equal to 21 meter, and this triangle having inside a square. The question is that the side length of a square. First, find the hypotenuse C of the triangle by Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem is C square is equal to A square plus B square. Put these data. Here A is 52 meter and B is 21 meter. Now do some mathematics. C is equal to 56.08 meter. This is hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. Now the side length of a square. L is equal to A multiplied by B multiplied by C divided by A square plus B square plus A multiplied by B. L. Here A is 52 meter, B is 21 meter, and C is 56.08 meter. Put these data into this equation. 52 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 56.08 divided by 52 square plus 21 square plus multiplied 22 multiplied by 21. L is equal to 61,239.36 divided by 4,237.00. L is equal to 14.45 meters. The side length of this square is 14.45 meter. This is the question, and the side length of the square is 14.54 meter. Thank you for watching the Engineer 87 tutorial.